Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Anthony with A&R Dispatch LLC. Back here I got two tires that are starting to get close to 230 seconds, so I'm going to go ahead and get them swapped out. And also I got the tools to do it. Got my 1-inch impact, I got my 30-ton bottle jack, I got my hose hooked up to my service line. Now time to take these tires off. A little backstory on these tires. I got both of these tires from a guy on Facebook Marketplace that was only 19 miles away from me, so I went and picked those up this morning for only $2.75 a piece, because over here at Love's, $600 at the shop just for one tire. That's not even with labor costs. So if you're an owner-operator, you got to keep your cost at a minimum and try to do everything yourself and try to get everything at a discount, and every nickel and dime counts out here. Alright, let's get this tire changed. Alright, the tires are off. Now I'm going to wheel these over to the shop and then take those two tires and get them mounted and then put them back on. And then the job is finished. Alright, I got my tires to the shop. Now I'll have the mechanic switch them out. Alright, $36. I got those mounted. Now let's mount them to the trailer. Alright, now it's time to drive them home. Alright, tires are replaced and it only cost me around $600. And that's how you save money out here on the road as an owner-operator. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, at A&R Dispatch LLC.